Hey guys, I received a mail call from UF Pro. Inside here is the P-40 all-terrain pants generation 2. So it's the latest pants by UF Pro. Here it is. It will be launched in the end of this month, so it is soon available. It comes with this black bag around it, as you all know. This bag can be reused, but the most handy thing I was seeing was that someone put his shoes inside when he was traveling. So inside there can be the dirty shoes, and then the dirt will not come in touch with your clothing. Otherwise, this is not important. Now here's the P-40 all-terrain in steel gray. So it's a bit like a bluish gray. It's relatively medium light, so it's not really dark, it's not really light. I think it's a nice gray. Yes, so this is like an unboxing video, my first unboxing video at all. In most cases I don't really like unboxing videos since they don't show anything you can use, because it's only a first impression. But the special thing is, this is the P-40, and I used the older generation of the P-40 for some time now. I'm not sure, maybe 2 years approximately. So I can really tell you that I like the P-40 and I have some experience with it. So I'm really curious how the generation 2 will perform. What I like about this pants is that it doesn't have too many pockets and too many features. It's relatively simple and easy, and almost only have got the things I really need. But at first let's talk about some changes, because some of you probably already know the P-40 all-terrain pants. So let's talk about some changes. UF Pro already uploaded a really cool in-detail video about this pants, so I will link this somewhere in the picture or at least in the description. Make sure to check UF Pro's YouTube channel. They do really high quality videos and get into details about the products. Yes, so what's new? Let's start on the bottom. Now you have these hooks for your boots, so you can attach this to your shoelaces, and then the pants are secured. Then the pocket on the pocket, where you can slide your mobile phone in, for example, is now with Cordura, so it's more durable than the uniform fabric. Also some more Cordura reinforcements up here in the upper pockets on the lids, and also the belt loops are now all from Cordura. On the previous one they have been made of the uniform fabric, and when you wear a battle belt, or especially a belt with Velcro inside on top, they can look quite abused after some time, and with the Cordura they are more durable. Okay. They also added more elastic material, this shallow stretch. Right here you can see up here is a stripe, and here is uniform fabric, and then again shallow stretch. I think you can see it. And now with the new one you have even more shallow stretch. So not only up here and below, you have the whole butt area made out of shallow stretch. So it gives you even more flexibility and should be even more comfortable, probably. So these are the main changes or upgrades in the generation 2. Some of you may ask if it's worth to change from generation 1 to generation 2. I personally think, for me, I would not change from 1 to 2, where if the generation 1 is still usable, because the differences are nice, really cool upgrades, but it's only little, so I personally would not change when I don't want to change the color or need a new pair of pants. Okay, now let's talk about the P-40 and why I like it. So this video is maybe even more helpful because a lot of people know the Striker X, the Striker HT and the Striker XT. I guess those three are the names. And this video will be even more informative or interesting when I add up some more information. Yeah, the P-40 all-terrain pants is relatively minimalistic. So now I have the weight from the generation 1. It's 816 grams. Then the generation 2, 860 grams. So you see they added a bit more weight to it. And yeah, I think that's because of all this cordura and maybe also the sheller stretch. Then, if you compare it to the Striker X, which is more designed for military users, so they have pockets instead of zippers, it's heavier because it has got more pockets, also pockets on the lower leg. And this is 1097 grams. So it's around 200 grams more weight for pants only. Yeah, the weight is not the most important thing about equipment, but for me, weight matters and I really like to know the weight of each item I use. And then here, the Striker HT in Concamo. 1094 grams. So yeah, these have approximately the same weight and the P-40 all-terrain is lighter. Yeah, that's it. Just a short introduction of the P-40. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos and also visit the channel from UF Pro. So thanks and see you next time. Bye.